So imagine you're playing a rhythm like this. A minor to G to F to G, A minor to G, F.
Wireless caller.
So basically,
Call from wireless
you're
caller.
playing a lead in A minor. It's in the box. So there's some repetitive parts, which is pretty cool because there's a lot of repetition when you're playing leads. So we're going to start here. I'm going to take this line by line. And it might seem a little complicated at first, but it's really not. It's all within this scale. Start on the A, the first string, 5th fret. First finger, right, on the A. So it's the first string, 5th fret. 8th and 5th frets on the 2nd string, 4th and 1st finger, 3rd and 1st. So. And then by the time that you get to the 4th string, that's when you do some repeats. So you're just pretty much playing the basic blues scale on the first 3 strings. Fourth string, 7th and 5th and 7th frets. Kind of pause right there a little bit. 7th fret on the 5th string. 5th fret on the 5th string. 8th fret on the 6th. Now go outside the box to that G. Because you can, even though you're in this key, and you're starting on this, you can keep going. You can keep going this way too. You know? So it's going to look like this again. I'll go over it slowly one more time. There's the first part, okay? So, you know, take a picture of this with your phone and keep watching me play it. Or just stop it and play or write it down on tablature or make some tablature. You know the drill here, old school. But we're still effective because this is how I learned. And first string, 5th fret, 8th fret, 2nd fret. 5th fret, we'll start from the beginning here. 5th fret, 1st string. 8th fret, 2nd string. 5th fret, 2nd string. 7th fret, 3rd string. 7th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret. Sorry about that. Now on the 4th string, you're going to play a 7th, 5th, and 7th. Pause a little bit. All right, and then now we're on the 5th string, 7th fret, 5th fret, 6th string, 8th fret, go down to the 3rd fret, and slide up to that 5th fret. Then while you're right here, you go into the second part, which is a lot of repeats right there. 5th and 8th fret, 6th string, 5th and 8th fret again. Go to the 5th fret on the 5th string. So you're starting on that 6th string, 5th and 8th frets, twice. 5, 8, 5, 8, 5 on the 5th string. Once again, 6th string, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5th string, 5th fret. Back to that 8th and 5th and 8th frets on the 6th string. Now you're going to repeat the 5th and 7th frets on the 5th string. Go to that 5th fret on the 4th string, back to that 7th fret on the 5th string, and then 5th and 7th on the 4th. Play this slow enough, you don't have to worry about the alternating picking. But if you want to play it fast, you're going to want to alternate your picking. Just how it is. Down, up. So you start with the down, up. Same with that first one. You can start with an up pick. But this part, so far you're going to have this. And finally, imagine you're playing this rhythm or somebody else's. So it's it's a lead in and of itself. This is just not an exercise or how to play a scale. That's why I stress scales. I know there's a lot of people out there saying you don't have to learn scales. Well, in a way that's true, but if you learn your scales, you're really going to have a thorough understanding and a lot of possibilities, virtually limitless possibilities of playing lead. And these scales, it's not rocket science. Doing all that just like in that blues scale. So that the third, let me show you the second line. So here's your second line, first and second line. They go together. You can even mix this stuff up any way you want. So you got 3 different lines. You got 6 different ways of playing this. You can piece it together actually, because the old reliable permutations. And here's the bottom line. So we just went over this line. We actually blended these two together. I suggest that you just play it this way because there was a method here. Starting on the first string with this phrase and this phrase, you're starting on the 6th string. Now we're going to start with the extension on this line right there, which is the 3rd string with your 2nd finger, sliding up to that 9th fret. 7th to 9th fret. If you know anything about this extension, which is it's a blues scale or a pentatonic scale all by itself, 7-9 on that 3rd string, the 2nd finger, 8th fret, 2nd string, 9th fret, 3rd string, then 8th and 10th frets, back to the 8th fret on the 2nd string. I'm on the 2nd string, 8, 10, 8, back to the 9th on the 3rd, and now 8, 10 on the 2nd, and then 10, 10th on the 2nd, 8th on the 1st, 10th on the 2nd, 8th on the 1st. Stop on that 10th fret 2nd string, which is an A. There's that 3rd line once again. Okay? This is going to be everything together. I'll play it slow. You can even play just open chords. A minor, G to F, back to the G. That time I varied it up a little bit. You can do that as well. But to stick with this, and there you go. And if you want to start improvising, just start improvising. Do some boxy things like, here, watch this. Out of the box rather, go. So instead of playing 5-7, 5-7, play 5-6-7. Don't be afraid to go a half step out of the box. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Keep playing and have fun.